Hello children, I am Vikesh from Mount Literacy School Jhansi. I am your science teacher. So welcome children into the another lecture of the chapter number 5, that is acid, base and salt. As you know that we have completed acid also, and in the last video we have completed the base, in which we have discussed about the some common bases which can be used into the regular usage, just like caustic soda, baking soda and some important bases. So now we are going to discuss about the salt. And what is a salt? When acid and base react with each other, they form salt and water. Okay, how the salt is formed in the chemistry lab? When we are using base and acid in the equal amount, then only the salt will form. If you can see reaction, acid plus base equal to salt plus water. What is a base? Sodium hydroxide. What is a acid? Hydrochloric acid. When both them combine, they can form sodium chloride and water is released. An acid neutralize the effect of a base and base neutralize the effect of acid, and the product form the salt in nature. ठीक है, if we are taking in the same quantity, mainly just suppose that 1 ml of acid we will take and 1 ml of base we will take, and we will mix together, then it will form salt and the salt will be neutral. Some common neutralization reaction they have given you. The reaction between vinegar and baking soda is neutralize the reaction. If we mix vinegar और baking soda, they can neutralize. Neutralize means होता है neutral, ना तो वो base होगा और ना ही वो acid होगा. When vinegar react with baking soda, it forms salt. Water and carbon dioxide gas is released. Okay. Overuse of a chemical fertilizer make the soil become acidic or basic. अगर हम ज़्यादा केमिकल का यूज़ करते हैं तो हमारी जो सॉइल होती है वो एसिडिक हो सकती है या बेस हो सकती है. क्रॉप रिक्वायर न्यूट्रल सॉइल. फॉर ग्रोइंग the crop require only neutral soil so to grow. Hence, if the soil is too acidic, quick lime, that is called basic in nature, is added to the soil. If the soil is too basic, organic manure, that is called acidic in nature, is added to the soil, so that soil will be neutral in nature. Waste generated from the factory have to be treated before disposing into the water bodies. Okay, जो भी पानी गंदा फैक्ट्री से निकलता है उसको नदियों में मिलाने से पहले हम उसको ट्रीट करना चाहिए. The acidic fluent is added with the basic substance to neutralize the effect of that. Bee sting and ant sting contain formic acid. When formic acid is enter skin, it cause irritation and swelling. जब bee हमें मधुमक्खी में काटती है तो it will release formic acid inside them. Then for reducing the effect of acid, we can use calamine lotion or something else which is base in nature, and it can dissolve the effect of acid from our body. Germs and decaying food particles in mouth create acidic condition. When you are eating a food, the germs can also release some acid inside your mouth and they can decay your teeth. This degrades the enamel of teeth. Brushing teeth using toothpaste neutralize the acidic environment in the mouth. So the toothpaste is containing a base, so when you are doing brushing, the effect of acid which is released by the bacteria inside your mouth will be neutralized. Shampoo contain mild alkali which make hair frizzy. Using conditioner after shampoo, hair neutralize the effect as conditioner contain mild acid. Okay, the shampoo is containing a alkalis. This is a type of a base. When you are using shampoo, it is compulsory that you can use the conditioner also, which can reduce the effect of base from your hair. Okay, now they are talking about some properties of a salt. Let's see what are the properties. Salt are neutral in nature. Okay, most salts are soluble in water, example sodium chloride, potassium chloride. However, some salt like copper carbonate and lead chloride are insoluble in water. That already we have discussed. The crystal of some salt have a same water molecule associated with them. These water molecules are known as water of crystal. Water of crystallization impact shape of and color to the salt. Such salt are known as hydrated salt. Salt always be in the crystal form. Okay, these molecules are known as water of crystal. Okay, and that can be the use of water can decide the shape of the crystal. Example of hydrated salt are CuSO4 5H2O, that is a copper sulfate, is blue in color, and MgSO4 7H2O, that is a magnesium sulfate, pink in color. So if you will use that copper, then it will be in the blue in color. If you use magnesium, that the salt will be pinkish in color. अब कहाँ कहाँ यूज होता है, लेट बी सी. The alum of potassium aluminum sulfate is used in purified water. Silver nitrate is used in a photographic film. Mixture of a calcium carbonate and calcium oxide is used as writing chalk on blackboard, and ammonium nitrate is used in fertilizers. So these all are the use of salt. Okay, so in today's today's lecture we have discussed about the salt, how we will use salt for the different neutralization reaction. Then we have discussed about the properties of salt and use of salt. Thank you.